Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY internal filter using air pump and plastic bottle. So this is my low-tech planted aquarium, very low maintenance. I only do like 10% water change once a week. It's with the betta fish. So I also have a handheld filter. But I just want to show you how I make this and what is this for. This is an internal filter. It's actually a home for the beneficial bacteria. It's to keep our water clean and our nitrogen cycle balanced. So this is how I did it. Let's go! First, you need to prepare a plastic bottle. In my case, I'm gonna use a small bottle of Sprite. You can use any size of the bottle as long as it's not too big and not too small for your aquarium, and just enough to place some ceramic filter media so it can be a house for your beneficial bacteria. We also need a drill so we can put some holes in our plastic bottle. We can put as many holes as we want, but we just want to make sure that it's not too big so that the ceramic media will not go out in the bottle. It's also going to be the flow of the water so the water can freely go inside the bottle and go back to the tank.
Remove the brand. This is not a sponsored video.
And now we need to cut the top area of the bottle around 3/4. And now let's put the air pipe. This air pipe is connected to the air pump to produce some air bubbles, and then the water will flow from the holes that we made earlier, and then it will keep the water circulating in the tank. And then we connect the air stone to the air pipe where the air bubbles will come out. And then let's fill it up with ceramic filter media. Just so you know guys, ceramic rings are biological filter media that provides beneficial bacteria to grow and live. This bacteria and ceramic ring is required to complete the nitrogen cycle in your tank. So guys, if you're setting up a tank, much better to run the tank with your filter media around 2 to 3 weeks so you can balance the nitrogen cycle before you put the fishes. After that, we can connect the other side of the air pipe to the air pump, plug it, and put it in the tank. Let's go! So that's it guys, that's how you make a DIY internal filter using plastic bottle and air pump with ceramic filter media rings. I am setting up this tank to be a low maintenance planted aquarium. I'm gonna show you how I set up and how I do the maintenance of this tank in my next vlog. So please tune in, and if you have some comments and suggestions, just leave it at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy fish keeping guys! Thank you.